Hello and welcome to Ebonyi People TV. Today we are bringing you exciting highlights from the grand commissioning of the newly rebuilt Abba South Administrative Office, a landmark day for the people of Abia State. So 4 years ago, this very building was looted and burned down during the NSAS protest in October 2020. But today marks a fresh start for the people of Abia State as this significant structure has been restored and officially reopened. The atmosphere was filled with excitement and pride as Governor Alex Oti addressed the crowd. He reminded everyone of the tragic event of 2020, highlighting the lessons learned, most importantly, the need for justice and the importance of strong leadership during times of crisis. The rebuilding of this particular building, he noted, is not just about bricks and mortar. It symbolizes a new era of leadership that puts the community's needs first. This beautiful structure stands as a testament to the hard work and dedication of both the state government and the mayor of Aba South, Chief Uche Nwogu. Despite financial constraints, they pushed forward to complete the project, ensuring that the staff who have been operating out of makeshift offices for the past 4 years now have a proper place to work and serve the public efficiently. Governor Alex Oti emphasized that this project is part of a larger rebuild and restore agenda, which includes massive investments in public infrastructure across Aba. In just 17 months, the administration has made significant strides, with Aba now on its way to becoming a major regional hub for investment, family life, and leisure. And a very, very special shout out to Chief Uche Nwogu, the mayor of Aba South. His unwavering commitment and exceptional management skills played a key role in the success of this project. Today's reopening is a big win for the people of Abia State and a moment of pride for everyone involved. Okay, and so that's it for today's special report from Aba. Be sure to stay tuned always to Ebonyi People TV for more updates on how communities across Nigeria are rebuilding and thriving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in our next video.